Hello, it's Tuesday the 11th of December. In this video I'm looking at the latest Thunderball result and I'm going to analyse it, and this is my ticket for the last draw. I had two lines on. These are the numbers that I picked in the video, and these are the numbers that I've got in a syndicate at work. So the second line is one that I've sort of picked the most frequent numbers, or numbers that occur together most frequently, in order to win as much money as possible over the next year. So I'm not targeting any particular draw with this line. It's just designed to do well generally. However, the top one was the line that was targeting this particular draw, and I totally missed. So anyway, this is my analysis of the result. So you can see that Thunderball number 5 is the most frequent Thunderball overall. So this is looking at full draw history since the Thunderball began, and there's always been 14 Thunderballs, and out of those 14, number 5 is the one that has occurred the most. So 186 times Thunderball number 5. So that's why I picked that one. And I noticed that main number 11 was most overdue for its frequency with set of balls 6, and number 12 was most overdue with the current trend sets of balls and machine 5. So you can see that 12 pointed to 11 as well, and Thunderball number 5 is most frequent with 11, and also number 11 pointed to 29, 31 and 33, and those other three numbers came out as well. So all the numbers could possibly have been predicted from that. So these are just the coincidences that I've highlighted. However, if you want to see all the most outstanding numbers, then it would look like this. So that's all the most outstanding numbers, and basically if you looked at this section and seen 11, 12, Thunderball 5 and predicted those three numbers from that, and then looked at what these numbers pointed to as most outstanding, and then looked at the other numbers, seen 29, 31 and 33, then you could possibly have predicted that those other three numbers were going to come out as well. So that was the path that led to the winning numbers, and just to highlight the coincidences, that's the path. So out of all the other numbers, these ones are the winning ones. So basically that concludes the analysis, and basically my prediction is going to be these numbers again, for the exact same reasons that I predicted them in my last video. So these are the numbers that I'm predicting, and if they come out, then it will look like this. I'll just show you what it will look like. So I've got 2, 5, 19, 21, 32 and 10. So if those numbers come out, then this is what it will look like. And these are all the coincidences that we would get if those numbers came out. So there you go. That's why I'm picking these numbers, because there are all these coincidences. I don't know which machine or set of balls it's going to be, but I'm guessing probably machine 5 or 6, sets of balls 5, 6, 7 or 8. And so that concludes this video. So good luck in tonight's draw, and bye for now.